In this video, we'll show you what to do if you can't change your location in Facebook Marketplace or if Facebook Marketplace is showing the wrong location. So to fix this, first open up the Facebook app. Now tap this menu icon at the top. Now here you will need to scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy. Now here select settings. Now in this settings menu, you will need to scroll down and here you will see this your activity section. So as you can see, I am seeing it here. You should see it on your device as well. Now here you will need to go ahead and find the option called information used for Facebook experiences. Now I don't see it on my phone because it's not available in my region, but you should see it on yours. Simply tap on it and then tap on Marketplace. You should see an option to set up or update the personalization information. Simply tap on it and you should be able to change the Facebook Marketplace location after that. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Snitch.